morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today.
The euro-dollar pair has added 0.6% in the last two sessions. The ROC shifted sharply into the negative area. McDonald's stock has gained 0.4% in the last three sessions. Stochastic has cooled down and is now giving a neutral signal. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI transitioned into oversold territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The ROC has sunk into the negative area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Link price surges 32% to overtake Bitcoin Cash as fifth largest crypto by market cap. U.S. stocks continue to defy gravity, pushing towards fresh all-time highs in both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. The euro sterling fixated around the key 0.9000 level as price action offers no clear directional bias as the market digests a record drop in UK GDP.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Japanese GDP will be released on Sunday at 21:50 GMT. The Japanese industrial production Monday at 2:30 GMT. The U.S. building permits Tuesday at 10:30 GMT. The UK CPI Wednesday at 400 GMT. The Japanese CPI Thursday at 21:30 GMT. And the Eurozone's consumer confidence Friday at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.